Hello guys, welcome back to day 7 of our 30 days React 0 to Hero series. And today we will be discussing about state of any React component. Let's get started. So to create state of any React class component, we need to write the constructor first. Constructor, then inside this we need to pass the props, then super method with props. I'll explain this super and constructor method later on. And now we need to initialize the state of our component, and we do this like this dot state, like this. Let us say we want to initialize our first variable, that is a counter, to value 0. So this is how we initialize our state of our component. And to grab this value in our HTML, we write, let us say counter is equal to, as it is a JavaScript code, so we must use the curly braces, and inside this, just by writing this dot state dot counter, we can grab the value of our counter. Let's see. So as you can see, our value is updated. Now let us see, we want to manipulate this counter value by using users click. So to do that, we will write some methods like increment, let's write arrow function. Then we have to write this setState method. So to manipulate any state variable, we must use this setState method by using this dot setState. So inside this we will write counter, so it will update our counter to previous value of our counter. So to grab this dot state dot counter plus 1, like this. And I'll create one button also. So I'll create a div first, inside that a button. I'll name this increment. And whenever user is clicking on our front end, on click event gets fired. So this on click event gets fired, and whatever code we have written inside this will get executed. So we will call this function here by using this dot increment, like this. Let's try. So as we are incrementing, our counter is getting incremented, like this. Now we will write for decrement as well. I'll copy this, I'll change here decrement, here I'll subtract it, and I'll copy the same button and update this one. I'll save it. So increment button is incrementing our counter, and decrement button is decrementing our counter. So this is the state of our React class component. We declare this state in our constructor method by using this dot state, and to grab this we use directly this dot state dot counter. To update any state variable, we must use this dot setState method, and inside that method we can directly pass that variable and its updated value, like this. So that's it for today's video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.